What's up everybody, Greg here with LensProToGo, and today we're on set with NewSky Productions. We're shooting a commercial for a shipping company called Express It. We have their van right behind us. We're just setting up right now, so I'm gonna get this stuff ready. I'll show you guys our camera setup and what we're shooting, and then we'll get into it. Safety first. So for our camera setup, we're using the Arri Alexa Mini with the Sigma 18-35. We got this all on the Ronin 2. We got a small HD 702 monitor, and then we're gonna be throwing it on the Easy Rig with the Cine Serene arm. So since we got the Mini on the Ronin 2, we can't control any settings, so I have it set up on my laptop, just using the Wi-Fi setup to do all the camera settings and format cards and all that stuff. So we got all of our boxes set up. We have a 2K up here with some CTB on it, so we're getting some blue gel to make it more like daylight casting down on our hero box. We got a hazer over here getting set up so we can have some atmosphere. Pat's about to rig up some diffusion on the garage door that we're just hanging halfway, so we get a little bit of light coming in, but nothing, you know, going out to that back, way back there and showing the rest of the warehouse. Just getting the fog set up to catch this ray of light down on our hero box. Action. So we're getting ready to set up for a shot where we're going to take the Alexa Mini with the Ronin, and we're going to go through these boxes over the table. So we're having two sets of people. There'll be two people on it at the beginning, bringing it forward, and then we'll have two people hiding on either side here. They're going to stand up and grab it, and then go over the table all the way to loading the box in the van over there. We're just setting up a Litepanels Gemini right now to add a little bit of kick to the back of the boxes so they're not completely dark. Just adding in one more light over there to get some light on him as he comes and grabs the box. Take 2, take 3, take 4, take 6. Action. We got it. So we just wrapped up at our first location. We're getting ready to do the camera car. The rest of the day is all just car stuff, so it should be a lot of fun. So right now we're just getting the black arm rigged up on the van. We're going to put it on the left side so we can shoot some profile as we drive down the road. And we're all hooked up. We got a follow focus on here with a CPL because we're shooting cars so we can see through the windshield. Alexa Mini controls on the computer. We got Ronin 2 controls with the remote. We got monitor in the back on the Flanders.
And you got Grant control. Woo!
Grant's on the focus. And he's also on walkies, which is probably a bad idea. So that's gonna wrap it up for this behind the scenes video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you wanna see more behind the scenes, check out the playlist that's gonna be at the end of this video. There'll also be some link to it in the description below. If you guys have any questions about this shoot or you wanna see more, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for new videos every single week, and I'll see you in the next one.